Tired of your Unity project feeling like the Wild West? Let's lasso it into the organized world of GitHub. First, close Unity completely. This prevents file lock issues during the upload process. Trust me, it saves headaches later. Head over to GitHub and create a new, empty repository. Give it a descriptive name. Think Asamegama project instead of Unity stuff. Don't initialize it with a README, license, or gitignore file. We'll handle that locally. Download and install GitHub Desktop. Open the application and clone the empty repository you just created to your local machine. Choose a location you will remember, maybe right next to your Unity project folder. Now, copy the contents of your Unity project folder. That's everything except the parent folder itself into the local repository folder you just cloned. Be patient. This might take a little bit depending on your project size. Crucially, we need a gitignore file. This tells Git to ignore unnecessary files, like library and temp folders, that bloat your repository. You can find a pre-made Unity gitignore template online link in the description, or create your own text file named exactly gitignore and paste the contents of the pre-made file inside. Place this file in the root of your local repository. Open GitHub Desktop. It should now show all the new files your Unity project. Write a clear commit message, like initial commit of Unity project, and click commit to main. Then hit push origin to upload everything to your GitHub repository. Finally, refresh your GitHub repository. Your browser. You should now see all your Unity project files safely stored and version controlled. Collaboration just got a whole lot easier. Happy game developing.